Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Guess what we have for today? Please continue watching this video to find the answer.
Definitely, this is a very familiar thing to us, which is wire mesh for fencing. But many people still do not know how it is manufactured, do you? The shield protects the wood automatically with the robot arms very evenly and without any missing welds. The mechanical industry still gives us emotions that are difficult to describe. They are soldering a very thick piece of iron into a blade. The pressure of the water is so strong that it easily peels off the bark of the tree. Is it easy to use to wash the car? Will it lose paint? Stainless steel grooving machine. This is a device that helps to create grooves of different shapes and sizes on hard stainless steel surfaces. This device is fully automatic in operation. For pipes, most of the threading is external thread. The case of internal threading rarely occurs. It only takes about 4 seconds. Every stamping is a successful product, very similar, and thousands of products are the same. The iron pipes are stamped and cut to the desired size. Small square iron plates are punched at both ends very evenly. Moreover, the skillful hands of the man make the work very fast and efficient. Is that the blanket? Oh, I always keep wondering how people can fold their blanket so tightly. The answer is there is a useful tool like this. I have to say that he is like an artist in his work, so clever. Attaching the bristles to the brush. It is very difficult for the human eyes to keep up with the movement of attaching the bristles into many small holes on the brush head. Attaching thousands of bristles to a brush takes about 10 seconds. Machines helps, first of all, saving working time, improve operational productivity. Moreover, it also improves innovation, use technology in production to improve operational efficiency, replace employees working in a hectic, continuous, and interrupt environment. Pen engraved on steel. Pen tip made of special steel, the pointy head is hardened. A seemingly simple job is to fold clothes and put them in a bag. However, with thousands of shirts every day, it can't be that simple, and sewing companies really need machines like this. High pressure cleaner. Not only gently scrubbing away dirt with strong pressure. Have you ever tried one of these things? Gas tank peeled off, crushed lettuce, punch a hole in the ground. When using it with vegetables, it becomes the function of a blender. When seeing this video, I discovered that I might know how to make a hat. It's so easy with this great sewing machine. Let's take a few seconds to visit the car tire recycling plant. To create small details in civil and industrial electricity. For machines, the ways to make these small details are not simple at all. It is a combination of mechanical equipment and various parts of the machine. What will we have here with the cart? And another function of high pressure sprayer. As a result, the fish is clean of scales. Thousands of rubber globes. This production line is dyeing them into blue. It takes only few seconds for all at the same time.